Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2025 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Convertible. It has Z51 front lift with memory, MagRide, GT2 seats, and is painted in Arctic white with the adrenaline red leather interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear. So we got our trunk lid open. As you can see, it's nice and clean. Inside the trunk, we have a nice spacious trunk, cargo net, and lots of space here. So you can actually put some golf clubs back there, shopping items. As we close that up, it does have the soft close. And then we'll zoom out, you can see the black with the red. And then coming back here, you're gonna is the mid-engine 6.2 liter V8 producing 495 horsepower. It's paired to an 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. We'll come back here, you're gonna see the carbon flash Stingray, and it has the Z51 new style spoiler done in the body color with the carbon flash posts. We'll step back here, you're gonna see the body colored vents. So that's upgraded. We also have the red Corvette script. And then down below we have the NPP performance exhaust, which comes with the Z51 package, which is an active exhaust system, so you can adjust the volume from loud to quiet or vice versa. And it has the black exhaust tips as well. All right, we'll make our way to the wheels. So we have the carbon flash 5 open spoke machine wheel with a machined edge. And it has Michelin tires all the way around, a 305/30 ZR20 in the rear, Z51 performance brakes, and the bright red brake calipers. All right, front wheel. So the front tire size is staggered. So we have a 245/35 ZR19 in the front, and those red calipers do say Corvette Z51 on them. All right, let's check out the interior. So we got the black door panel with the adrenaline red armrest and the red stitching here. This is authentic leather, being a 3LT, so it feels and smells phenomenal. We have the Bose Performance Series sound system, so 14 speakers, memory package for your passenger, power windows, locks, and door release. Dash, also real leather, being a 3LT. See the red stitching there. It's locked right now, but there is books in there. We do have the door jambs here looking great. The Stingray kick plate looks like new. We got the carpeted mats with the red stitching. 8-way power seats with bolster and lumbar. We'll scan the seat here. These are the GT2 seats, done in the Napa leather, so the softer leather. So you see the exposed carbon fiber. You got the Corvette flags, seatbelt loops, and the torch red seat belts to match. 3LT is also going to give you the Alcantara B pillars, the roof liner, visors, and your A pillars there. In between, we got the speaker grill, and we got the wireless charging station for your phone down below. All right, closing that door, we'll start back here, show you that profile, that spoiler, walking down the car, body colored vents, there's your red seats, body colored mirrors with the signals built in. Again, the body colored vents around the boomerang there. And our wheels from this angle. Step over here, let the car swing, and I'll stop it right here. Try to get a good angle here. There's my wave there. It's hard to see, but we've got a white on white wall, so the paint is very reflective, even being a white vehicle. LED projector headlights. It does have the front splitter. I'll just feel down here. That all feels like new. We got the front cameras. Here's our front. And we got more storage up here. There's your front plate mount if you wanted to put that on. We have a 12-volt socket here to charge your battery with your trickle charger. And then we do have the cargo net there. All right, closing up this. We'll check out the paint here. Beautiful Arctic white paint. So this one just came out of the polish bay. So it was 5-stage polish by our team. Beautiful car to start with, even better after it's done. All right, our wheels on that side. Let's come to the mirror. So we got the blind spot monitor. It does have the power folding mirror as well. Back out again. You can see that beautiful door panel, the red stitching on the black with the adrenaline red armrest, power mirrors, windows, your power convertible hardtop. There's your rear window, Bose sound system, memory package for your driver, locks, door release, and your front and rear trunk. Dash on this side, we got heads-up display. That's what that slot is. The leather is beautiful. Here's our door jambs, all tidy. Pedals down below, carpeted mats, and again, the 8-way power seat. And the Napa leather, some nice soft leather in adrenaline red. All right, let's jump in. Close up the door. With a nice red stitching here. Here's our vent for the HVAC. We do have heads-up display controls there, dash dimming lights, electronic parking brake on the steering column. We have power tilt and telescopic wheel. Headlight controls. We have paddle shifters on both sides, so upshift, downshift. Z button for your performance. Cruise control, lane keep assist, audio controls, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, arrow keys, and your windshield wiper settings. All right, we'll start it up. It's a push button start. And I'm gonna push that box here so you can see, there it is, the book's in there. It's got red down below, very sharp. We'll zoom out, you can see this wheel, so it's a leather wheel. It's got the nice red center point, flat top, flat bottom, red stitching, and the Corvette flags in the center. Coming into the gauge cluster, all digital. Check out the mileage, only 511 kilometers. All right, up in the visor, you got the universal garage door opener. We do have the light sensitive mirror, and it is a rear camera mirror when the roof is up. Here's our 8-inch touchscreen. Now it does have the film on it, so it does have it's the factory film, so it hasn't been even peeled yet. So that can come off, and it, of course, it's gonna be like new back there. We have Google Maps, so it's Google based, so we'll just hit that there, and it'll come up. We have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Here's our front cameras. And then on this side, we have performance data recorder, your climate controls. Here's our rear camera with park sensors. Down below, automatic shifter controls, traction control. Here's your front lift with memory, another option there. Front camera, we have the dial here for your drive modes. So let's swing it back into the gauge cluster here. Looks like it's got the film on here as well. Starting at the beginning, we have weather mode. We have my mode, so you can see it's customizing it as we change it. So you can see it's changing these metrics here. Next one is tour mode. Then we got sport mode, and finally track mode. Down here we have the climate control towers, a dual zone climate, heated and ventilated seats, adrenaline red leather here, 2 cup holders, and then we have your black console lid. My hand here, you can see the depth of it, media ports there. All right, we're gonna open up the door. And we'll get the lights on, and we'll give it a few revs. One more time. All right, that only hit about 4,000 RPM. You can see it has way more to go. We'll hit this button here, so that's your top button here. So watch this go. All power. All you do is hold this button. It's got the white roof, and I'll just show you here. So we got the engine appearance package there. So you can actually see the engine cover on this convertible. That's a really cool feature. We'll close this up. It'll chime once it's done. We'll get the windows up here. Pulls up the door. Let's come to the front. There's our headlights on. Look at this. What a beautiful looking car. Just spin it around. Very clean looking. There's our LED taillights. And listen to those black exhaust tips sing. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2025 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Convertible. It's got the 6.2 liter V8, Z51, MagRide, front lift, GT2 seats, and is painted in Arctic white with the adrenaline red leather. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.